Everybody goes through stuff. You shouldn't ever be ashamed of what you go through. You shouldn't ever have to hide that.
Don't just take pictures. Breathe in the air. Listen to nature.
Why climb the highest mountain? Why, 35 years ago, fly the Atlantic? Why does Rice play Texas? Not because they are easy, but because they are hard. We choose to go to the moon.
Why, for Scotland's king and law, freedom's sword will strongly draw. Freeman stand, or freeman fall. Let him follow me.
You will always feel home. You will always feel welcome here.